And we're live. Hello, everyone. So, today we're going to be doing some more reactos stuff. So, first off, I'm going to show you where I finished off last time, as always. So, this is the test GUI, and what I'm going to do today is hopefully be able to run this on startup of the live CD to save time. That shouldn't be too complicated, but you know how stuff is. So this is what I was able to do last time. Transparent background text, window colored window. Yep. So let's go ahead and see if we can what's the word I'm looking for? Get it to run on startup. So first thing I'm gonna do is open up this, because this is probably important to have this open. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into, let's see if we can get the startup here. So let's see, full screen drawing. So this is Paint, I believe. Yeah, MSTSC, shut down. So we're just going to try to keep this clean for now. Hopefully keep it nice and, alright, boot, that's probably important. So boot data, boot, BGFX, environment, include app, ROS load, no, that's kernel stuff. I want to see what it does for the live CD. Modules, that might be in it. ROS apps, no, ROS apps, that's probably not important. ROS tests, interesting. I remember it running I know it runs, you don't learn reactos, reactos learns you from reactos community. Well, first off, I'm honored that reactos community is watching me, and second, that's actually pretty funny. Alright, so, let's see if I can get it to run its startup. Yeah, I'm beginning to think so, based on the fact that the streams are getting longer and longer as time goes on. Today I'm hopefully going to make this nice and short and sweet. Hopefully. So yeah, as I was saying, I'm going to see if I can get this to run its startup. Services. Like I said, I'm not completely used to this code base, so this might take a little longer than someone who's completely used to it. Log on UI. Let's see. Actually, it would probably be easier because I know the startup has a bat file, so it'd probably be easier just to go into there and search startup bat. Yeah, let's see. Yep. Wow. So this is ROS get, and we're gonna do start of that. So what does it do on startup? Because I know it does something on startup. Let me get back here. So if I recall correctly, it does run a set script on startup. Of course I'm going from memory here, but if I recall correctly, it does run some sort of script on startup. Yeah, I saw a command line window flicker up. Loader. Install freeloader. Okay, that's freeloader. This is going to turn into a production, isn't it? I should have known better. I really should have known better. No. Nothing is quick and simple. It always turns into a full... Is that you, Darkfire? Is that you, Darkfire? Do you have... Oh, yeah, you have access to the community account, don't you? Okay. Yeah, that even sounds like you, doesn't it? Yeah. Haha, very funny. You got me excited for a second. Alright, alright, he's typing. Let's wait for him to finish. Um, ah, he stopped typing. Okay. He got called out. Yeah, I forgot that he had access to that account. Run once. Okay, that looks like it's important. So this is... Yeah, so this is... Um, yeah, I forgot he had access to that. User init. Live CD. Okay. Let's see what this does. So this just creates images and stuff. For why we handle spam differently. Wow, this is interesting. I did not realize there would be links to websites in here. Oh, wow. Wow. I feel like I just accidentally uncovered a very interesting time capsule. I doubt many reactos people. This code base, man, it's older than I thought. I mean, then again, don't fix what isn't broken, but this is definitely wow, that is, yeah, these are really old code, or this is really old code. Um, all right. Is this just showing stuff? Maybe I can just create a shortcut to it on the desktop. Because I mean, those icons, they don't come from nowhere. I don't think they do anyway. So let's see, explore. Explore. That's got to come from somewhere too. So. Yeah. Technically, the most common person responding is hacker or CERN. All the red names have access, if I recall correctly. I think the only one that doesn't is CTA San, if I recall correctly. I don't really respond to people much personally. I mean, there's like unsaid rules we follow, if I recall correctly. So that isn't you? Oh. Well, hello, whoever you are. Hope you enjoy the stream. So it seems to be in shell. Explore. Oh, it's in C++. That's so much better. And desktop. Perfect. Let's see. Why is it finding errors in here when they're very clearly not errors in here? No, it is. It is you. Okay. It is me, Darkfire. Okay. Alright. Sorry, I don't exactly, I don't look too carefully at the chat, to be perfectly honest with you. Like I said, if the best way to get my attention is to at me on Discord. Yeah. Alright, start up. Okay, this looks interesting. So create process. Okay, this seems like, okay, yes, this is definitely what I want. Alright, so it's having errors. even though there's nothing I can, even though it's compiling. Oh, typical Visual Studio. Alright, done processing CMD. Done this, done that. Cannot set directory. Alright, we'll do finish items, shall mute X. You know what, let's start some music. The dogs are starting back up again. Just in case they weren't annoying enough last time, you know, they gotta really exercise their barking muscles. For stream music. There we are. Alright, let's see. Alright, let's see. Get shell window. Startup has been run. Alright. Feel like a true hacker.
Hey, you.
Alright, I'm back. Don't ask what that was about. So anyway, auto startup applications. Auto startup applications. Should I just tell it to run everything in System32? That would be silly. Actually, I could put it in its own directory. Yeah, that would be... Now we're thinking. Now we're big-brained. So, let's see where this is declared. Go to declaration. Alright, I don't know where it's declared. H key current user. Run. H key startup. Brain. Brain. Where is my brain? I feel like this should be way easier than I'm making it out to be. Let's see. So, yeah, I really do feel like this is... Actually, you know what? Let's do something just... The coding grind is real. Yes, it is, Dario. Yeah, and I just forgot my super handy keyboard. Overlay. As always. I've never remembered it once. Yeah, it is. I think I'm a little crazy at times, but you know what? It's for the glory of reactos. Yeah, it's for the glory. It's for the glory of reactos. That is why I'm doing it. Let's just leave it. Let's just say that. Yeah. Sure. Oh, it's just system? You know, that probably is like a absolutely god-awful way of doing it. Which is why that's the way I'm gonna do it. See... reactos! Ew. Ew, static strings. Ew, it's not dynamic. Ew, 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 ew. System32, test GUI.exe. Yeah. Alright, let's see if that actually does anything, or if I killed a baby or something. I don't know. Let's see. Let's have it go. Let's go all the way back up. Run command. You know, let's just hook it in Explorer. What the heck? Start with desktop, and I'm so evil. That can't be good. Let's see. reactos build environment. cd dot. And reactos community left. I know. It's bad. It's probably an absolutely terrible practice. Wait, no, that. What? Oh, CD4. Now we run this. Alright. Let's see if this works. Hopefully. It's definitely not best practice. That I know for sure. This is definitely not the way you want to do this if you're actually seriously going to do something like this. That code really needs to be better. Hopefully. 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 Alright. I'm going to have to edit this stream afterwards. Let's see if this actually worked, or if it's just going to blue screen the computer. That would be actually kind of funny. First code blue screen. And it didn't even work. Nope. That did not even work. Alright, well, I guess I'll do better practice then, because that's probably why it didn't work, is because it didn't want me to do such bad practice. Alright, so, let's do something, let's just throw this somewhere else. Let's see what's something I can run easily. Actually, this might be, if win32 debug all this stuff. Let's see, start menu. We'll have it open when you create start menu. H result, blah, blah, blah. Tray clock. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just bouncing around random things right now. Run random files. Hopefully. Trying to figure out what this is doing. Hopefully it reacts the right way. Yeah. I've been streaming a lot the last couple days. I'm probably going to take a break for the weekend, though. Who am I kidding? Knowing me, the break probably isn't very long. Me and Darkfire have something in common where we just can't, when we get in a project, we can't stay out of it for too long. We work. It's just how we are. I guess it's just the class thinking, or way you were born and raised, or something, I don't know. sure there's a better way of doing this. Yeah, I've been saying that the entire time, that there's got to be a better way of doing this. None have, like, just kind of popped out to me, like, hey, here's a real easy way of doing this without causing any problems. Maybe if I just search for startup in the reactos folder. I don't know. I'm trying not to use the internet too much because, as people know, reactos is so similar to Windows that you have to be really careful when you're Googling stuff to not accidentally pull up, you know, anything terribly leaked. Or just anything leaked. No, that's startup for Explorer. Startup for startup code for NT processes. Alright, so startup.cpp. That's an Explorer. Right. And my mouse froze for a second. Okay. I don't know if that was my computer or what that was. Hopefully it doesn't buffer. Yeah, I've got a hard drive on the way out. I hope it survives. I really do hope it survives for the prices to come back down. Please, 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 please. So heap allocation. Done processing. Do startup items. There we are. Do startup items. Let's see if that works. Back to the reactos build environment. Whoa. Oh. So I think I'm new to this project. Can you explain what you're doing? So reactos is an attempt to create a free and open source implementation of Windows. The best way I can think of describing it that's really dumbed down is kind of like a Wine operating system. You know what Wine is for Linux. Now, of course, they kind of have their own development team separate from Wine, but they kind of, Wine's development team and reactos' development team constantly kind of give code back and forth to each other to hopefully accelerate both projects. So what I'm doing is I'm learning pretty much win32 applications in C++, and I figure I've been following the reactos project for a long time. Why not learn it in the reactos codebase, and maybe I can contribute a few patches so that both me and the project get something out of it. Who knows, maybe I'll be able to do bug fixes too. I'm not sure though. I'm not sure I'm that low level yet. Whoa. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Now again, I'm sure there are people that could probably explain it better, but sure there's gotta be a way to do this. Do startup items. Awesome. Yeah, it is pretty awesome. Let's see, reactos run program and startup through code. I'm sure maybe someone's done it before. Now, of course, I'm just gonna keep this nice and not gonna sugarcoat this for you. I'm not good at this yet, so everything I do takes a really long time. In fact, most of the time I have to be off by I have to do something by a certain time or be off by a certain time to do something or something like that. And I always brush up really close to it because yeah. Yesterday I did it earlier. Yeah, it's a network. I was able to open that. Gee, that's a little silly. I just need to find what opens up at the startup. Actually, hold on, wait a minute. If I go back into here, go into live CD. Yeah, they have a Discord server too. I am there. In fact, that's where the reactos community account came in from, is from the server. Yeah. Because I'm there also. Oh, what? So, what program is this? That's what I want to know. What is this called? Does it have a name? Or is this called this weird startup thingy that, I can't seem to figure out what program this is actually called. Let's get some music going. So let's just get a quick view of this. So your subsystems, win32, stuff, that's scary. Oh, this is still up. God, whoops. Sorry, guys. Whoa. No. Base. Stream games, solitaire, win mine. Maybe it doesn't run anything on startup if it's live CD. That could be it. Well, oh! I wonder. If it's as simple as changing a directory, I'm gonna feel pretty stupid. Destination. Let's see, what are some of this? What are some stuff that needs to be in the user folder? Let's play unforeseen consequences. And there's my dying hard drive again. CC make lists users folder. I don't know. System home. Home directory is referred to by the home environment variable or root of startup folder. Startup folder. See make lists. startup folder. Windows. You know what? You know that. I'm sure you guys in the server know what I mean when I say, let's F around and find out. Let's F around and find out. And it did not like it. I mean, what could it hurt? Well, it hurts my brain, but that's not it. That's not part of it. I am very rambly, by the way, in case you couldn't tell. I don't know why, but I feel like I have to talk all the time, or I'm not doing anything. Well, wait a minute. So it's a live CD, which means, oh, I can probably make it X profiles. All use. Wait, what does it run for startup? And you need to see this again. Dang it. There. So, what does it run for startup? Startup. Open. Explore. X profiles default user. Start menu. Program startup. Alright, that is good to know. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. Put this over on my second monitor. I'm going to do where did it go? There, I'm going to do. Oh, could it be because I'm running no, profile. Wait, what did it look like before? Yeah, so it's literally just, so I can just do profiles, default user, start menu, programs startup. So cursed, so incredibly cursed. And we're shutting down the virtual machine. And saving and praying. What? Wrong destination. What? Excuse me. Is that what you like? Wrong destination. CMake. Oh. If you add any feature to Windows. If you could add any feature to Windows, what would it be? If you could add any feature to Windows, what would it be? It's a hard one. Let's see, what would I miss from Windows? Probably the ability to make a very slimmed down version of Windows without all the stuff installed. Kind of like a very thin version of Windows that doesn't take up much space. Because, I just don't like how big Windows is getting. Like, 20 or 30 gigs just for a clean install. Especially when you get rid of all the cruft in Windows. It's pretty much the same size as Windows 8. Alright, and it's from the reactos form. You should head to the reactos IRC. You should head to the reactos IRC. Destination. So Users for all. Let's see. Users for all. Does that like it? No. Doesn't like that either. Wrong destination users. Well, I can always put it just in the plain old reactos. It's documents and settings. Documents and settings. Is that might be it. So I don't think there's a no. This is actually turning out to be quite challenging. Just to get it to run at startup. Because nothing runs at startup in reactos. If you wanted to put something in the users folder, how would you do that? Okay, it's big brain time. Oh dear. Yeah, I'm doing some big brain stuff too. Or at least I feel big brained from trying to figure this stuff out. I feel exhausted brained afterwards anyway. Destination. What destinations? App patch. CMake stuff destination. File kernel 32. reactos over system 32. Let's see. Is there like a startup folder in system 32? I need to investigate the live CD because I swear there's something that runs at startup there. There's got to be. I guess I'm gonna be here all night investigating a live CD image. But hey, that's the content you guys wanted, right? Right? I went from a literal... Oh! Install... Oh, that's probably important. I went from a literal content shortage to, like, having enough... to, like, creating an absolute buttload of content every day. You're welcome. Alright, of course, granted, it's not as exciting, but... it's not in, like, your usual format of nice, edited beautifulness, but, right, so, loader. fdebug install freeloader. Install freeloader. Where does it get that from? Install freeloader. No, install freeloader. Where is that? Probably in the freeloader directory. So, set. What am I doing? Stay focused. Freeloader. Where's freeloader? I'm just vibing while programming also. Yeah. That's generally how I do these streams too. That is the best way to watch these streams. I don't know if I'm actually going to be able to finish tonight, to be perfectly honest. Let's see, so this is going to be freeloader. So install free LDR. There we are. So this is another CMake lists file. So add CD file, target, install, destination, loader. Okay, sure. Destination loader. So this kind of leaves me even more questions than answers. Well, I mean, at least if I put it in loader, it'll be easier to run, I suppose. But, well, actually, it does do that. It does have the profiles. It does have it in there. It does search through the files if it's a CMake lists. So let's see. Live CD.inf. Edit with Notepad++. And pray don't see anything personal. Alright, it doesn't look like there's anything in here. If you see anything weird, ignore it. Don't worry. So this is an INF file. Oh, that's probably what it was running at startup. That's probably what was running at startup. Okay. And it runs system setup, CMD line, setup dash menu. It's running some sort of shell. I wonder if I can. So let's. Oh, you haven't been able to see this entire time, have you? Well, I found a INF file that looks like it has something juicy in there. So, HKey local machine setup. Oh, that's not there anymore. Oh, no, system setup. I just wasn't thinking. It's a CMD line. Setup dash mini. So hold on. Oh, that's what it's running. Alright, either I'm gonna break something or this is gonna work. Let's find out which. Well, actually, hold on. Let's see if this is in the path. Because if it's in the path, then it's gonna work. But if it's not in the path, then it isn't gonna work. Oh, ladies and gentlemen. What do you have to say? Installing devices. I don't know what devices it's installing, considering it's just a live CR. So, brew test UI. Alright, it is in the... actually, why do I do that? It's not like... It's a live CD. There's nothing important on there. So, can I do just brew test UI? Close out of there. Yeah, OS system 32 for all. And... Valid escape character S. What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? This was working before. What did I do? What did I do? C shutdown. I'll do U. You know, I'll just copy it from here. It looks like maybe I used the wrong slash. I don't know. CMake lists. Do this. Run this again. Please don't tell me because I changed the CMake files it has to do like a bazillion again. Please don't tell me because I edited the CMake file it has to do bazillion again. Please don't tell me that because I edited the CMake file I had to do bazillion again. Please don't, please don't, please don't, please don't, please don't, please don't, please, 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 please. No, no, no. Configuring done. That's not a good sign. Come on. Please don't make me do all 10,000 again. Just 1,000. Okay. Alright. Well, now we wait, I suppose. Page fault and non-paged area. Darkfire, you have like every single, you've probably Googled every single error with the ROS KGB bot. at least like 6 times. Look at that. Let's see. Error from the dark fire. Come on. No streamer mode. It's not like I'm going to view Discord anyway. From the dark fire. And you did it 9 times already. Yep. The same error code. Exact same error code. Though that I shouldn't make fun of him for that, because that's probably going to be me in a couple months' time, the way things are going. Alright, so is this going to work, or is this going to crash? If I get a blue screen, I'm going to be... Yes! It runs at startup! It's working, friends. It's working. It's working! Alright, Control-Delete. I mean, granted, it kind of screws over the rest of the live CD, but I mean, it's working. Wait, can I do an and here? Now you got me curious. Alright, so live CD. Yippee! Screw Visual Studio Code. Using just plain old Windows search worked. So if it truly is just a command line, then this should work. And if I start VMware Player, anyway, this is just trying to make it better. I'm already done. That was pretty much it. I'm just trying to make it a little better. And if not, I can just revert. Anyway, yeah. Alright, no. Alright, apparently it didn't like that, apparently. See, is that consistent, or... Yep, it's consistent. Well, first blue screen is because of that. Alright, now I actually am gonna have to use the KGB bot. Error 0x00. How many zeros is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1E. K-mode exception not handled. That tells me literally nothing more. Well, I'll switch it back then. Anyways, it's working. Or maybe that was a placebo. I don't know. There's only one way to know. Come on. Come on. Ooh, there we go. Alright, yeah, it was that. Anyway, that's it for tonight. You know what time it is. It's time to commit to the GitHub repo, the fork I made. That, let's see, yep. I did not change much. Oh, I just added some lines. Let's see. Make my program run at startup. Hopefully I can get the rest of the system to start up with it too. Hopefully. Alright. Commit. Push. And now if I go here... What time is it for you? It's 9:41 p.m. What time is it for you? Alright, there it is. I believe it committed. Yeah, 21 seconds ago. It committed. So yeah. Let's see what he says before. It's 8:41 p.m. Yeah. So pretty close. Anyway, that's the end of the stream. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to wait for YouTube to catch up, and take care.